Hi friends, good afternoon. Welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So this is Manju here and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to discuss with you is about check constraint. So how effectively we have to use check constraint in SQL Oracle. So what is the main purpose of using check constant, how it works? So that concept we are going to learn here with one example query. So it's very informational video, so kindly subscribe to channel because before starting the video, kindly subscribe to channel, and if subscribe to my channel, then it's a very great motivational thing for me to make more videos on this regard. So let us start the video here. I am using SQL developer here, so you can see here. So I am using SQL developer. So here just I am going to create one table. Okay, so that's what the code is here, and just copy this one, copy the code, and just I paste here. So you can see the creating table. Okay, so this is what the code I am going to create the table. So you just have to type the code. Okay, so do not try to copy paste from internet. Okay, so just you have to create the table with your manually. So this is what the table, create table employees, the name is employees, within parenthesis first is column is employee ID, that is number. Okay, and the next one is first name and last name and email and hire date and job ID and salary. Okay, then constraint I am using here, check salary, check constant I am using here. The condition is salary is greater than or equal to 0. So this is what the condition here. Before inserting the data, while creating the table, I am giving condition. I am using check constant here, and I am giving condition as salary is greater than or equal to 0. So then see what it will get happen. So press Control Enter. Just I am executing this table creation DDL command query. So employees table is created now. Okay, so you can see here employees table is created, and just I am giving here select star from employees. Okay, so we'll see what is there in that. So of course it will not contain anything, but it just displays the entities. So here, so these are the nothing but job employee ID, first name, last name, and email, and then hire date and job ID and salary. Okay, so but we while constructing table, we used constraint check and we assigned the value here. So condition here, salary is greater than or equal to 0. So while inserting data here in this table, while inserting data, so I just copy this code, so insert into values. Okay, so while inserting data here, you can see it's just pasted here, but you have to type the manually to practice purpose. So insert into employees, employees ID, first name, last name, email, hire date, job ID, salary. So values, one John, first name is John and second name last name is Doe, and this is what mail ID and the hire date what I mentioned here, and the manager here, this is what, and the last one is minus 5,000. Okay, I used salary as minus 5,000, but what our condition is here, it has to take only when the salary is greater than or equal to 0. So let us execute this, and what will get happen, we just go through that. So it's giving error because of due to condition what we mentioned here. So it's giving error as violated. So we violated the conditions of check constant. So instead of this 5,000 minus 5,000, I am giving here 1,000 rupees. Okay, so then execute again. So it will get fetch one row inserted. You can just check here, select star from employees. So the data is inserted. So you can observe here salary 1,000 is inserted. Or else if you can use some other salary digits, okay, minus 300, it will not take. So it's giving violated the check constant rules. So this is what the thing. Okay, constraints, it is a nothing but data rules. Okay, conditions or limits, whatever we are putting on data while data is entering to the table. So this is what the constraints. Okay, so these are the constraints. So in that I showed you here check constant. So this is what the how you can use check constant in the real time experience in like while inserting the data into table. So this is how the developer going to work on their duties. Okay, so this concept is very important. SQL Oracle query, okay, interview query. Interviewer may ask you this question. Okay, so we go through this video completely, and you will be getting more informational thing, and this is very important for interviews also. So I will be with you in some more with query concepts in future videos. So I hope you understood this video, and I will be with you for my next video. So thank you very much. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Take care. Okay.